Hey everybody, I'd like to talk to you a little bit today about failure. Failure can be so essential and so important to who we are, how we grow, how we learn, how we process, how quickly we move to another level in life. You've got to have the failures in your life in order to have the learning opportunities. So many people go to school, they get an education, they come out and they think they've got the world by the tail. But they don't, because they have not had the opportunity to learn from their failures. It's so important that we fail. It's so important that we get up, we try stuff. Sometimes we're going to hit, sometimes we're going to miss. But what you do after that is the most important thing that you can do in life. What did I learn from it? What did I gain from it? How can I use this knowledge to take myself to the next place, to the next level, to the next place in life that's going to make me happier, better, more successful? That's what failure can do for you. There is no more powerful a teacher than failure. But you've got to be willing to be a student. You've got to be willing to learn from it. You've got to be willing to take that information in and grow from it. If you're not in that place, you're losing so much opportunity to grow. So take risks, take chances, go out and try new things, succeed, fail, learn. But at the end of the day, you're going to be so much more successful if you can figure out how to fail successfully.